Hi besties, welcome back to the channel. Are you interested in working as a virtual assistant for a US based company? Then this video is for you. You need to see this video. They're looking for people who can work at 4 a.m. or 9 to 5. They're also looking for people with attention to detail. So if you have a fast internet connection, you own a phone or a laptop, then this is for you. You're going to have a lot of fun working for this company. If you are good on the phone and great at internet research, then this video is also for you. Watch to the end, share with someone, subscribe, comment, and like the video. So all you have to do is to follow through the process, sign up, apply, and wait for them to get back to you. Let's get started. This company is currently hiring virtual assistants to help their customers, to help their clients. If you have a fast internet connection and the ability to use common softwares and websites, then this could be a lot of fun for you. They're looking for smart people who want to help others and to help build a great company. Are you good on the phone and great at internet research? This could be a perfect position for you. Remember that we are still on our job application challenge. Don't miss this opportunity. Grab it with both hands so that you can secure a job for yourself before January 2026. I don't know if you've heard about this company before. They are called Fancy Hands. Fancy Hands is a US based company, okay? You can work for Fancy Hands right now. They are currently hiring people to work as assistants for thousands of very discerning users of their website. If you have a fast internet connection and the ability to use common websites and software, this could be a lot of fun. Like I said, they're looking for smart people who want to help others and help build a great community and help build a great company. If you're good on the phone and great at internet research, this could be a perfect position for you. So go to fancyhands.com, click on apply for an assistant position. You see where it says we're currently hiring people to work as assistants and all of that. So they're emphasizing on this on the phone. Are you good on the phone? Okay. Are you good on the phone and great at internet research? The work you're going to do is making phone calls on behalf of people, scheduling appointments for doctors, business, etc., tracking down the best price for something, finding hotels that meet certain criteria, data entry, more phone calls. They're looking for people with very strong written communication skills. People will tell you what to do. You must be able to figure out what they're asking for and be able to get a clear response back to them. You need to have a computer and a reliable internet connection. People with knowledge of different fields. Self-starter, you should want to take on more responsibility and try new things. For the pay, to start, tasks are worth anywhere from $3 to $7 per task and go up from there. Payments go out every other week on Tuesday and so on. This position and this company has huge room for growth. You can define your own hours. Ideally, they want people around 24 hours a day. So if you've got time at 4 a.m. US time, that's great. If you want to work 9 to 5, it's also perfect. So you want to click on this apply button. It will take you to the next page where you enter your email address. Make sure that the email address you're entering is accessible, because they need to send you a link that you will click on, then enter your password. Okay, so once you do that, it will bring you here. This is going to be your next page. After they send you the email, you will use the email to log in, and then it brings you to this page after you have filled in your password. You're going to select the option you think best describes the question being asked. Okay, your first name, last name, your physical address, your city, select the state, select your country. If you're not in the United States, you select other. Okay, if you're not in the United States, select other. If you can use VPN to disguise where you are, that's fine. Okay, so long as you get this job. Then put your resume. You have seen what they are looking for, the person description. Go and check it. Use it to create your resume. How do you work? Which scenario below would a Google Doc be most useful for? So you're going to answer all these questions: searching the web, locating a doctor, sharing a spreadsheet with someone. What were the nearest cross streets to Carnegie Delhi when it was open? Do your research, guys. Don't answer off head. What website would be the best to use to find the best steakhouse near your home? Is it Bing, Yahoo, Yelp, eHow.com? Are you legally able to work in the US? Yes or no? Do you know your grammar? I love those guys. They are so fun. Look over there at them playing with their dog. Then once you finish answering, it takes you to the next page. It's about 3 pages, and that's how you're going to fill the whole form. Guys, I have people in my other channel that get into different countries using VPN. There are free VPN out there you can use to get into different websites, different companies, and apply. If you're selected, all you have to do is to find a way to get your money. If you're paying through PayPal, Payoneer, you find a way, get a PayPal account, Payoneer, or however you want to do it, just to make sure that you're receiving this money. Okay, this is not the time for location. I don't live in the US. What do I do? This is not the time. Help yourself. I can't say everything on social media. Okay, I can't say everything on social media. So they hire assistants for different companies to help manage their inventories and all of that. Okay, so that's just what they do. They focus on virtual assistants, hiring people for companies to help them with their day-to-day activities. So I don't know who needs this. I didn't want to upload any video today, but my mind is telling me to do this video. So I don't know whether you're in the US right now. Please sign up, apply, get the job, and update me in the comments. If you're from other countries, if they are not letting you sign up, use VPN and try your luck. Try your luck first and leave the rest to God. Okay, so let me know your thoughts about this. Have you heard about it before? Have you ever signed up on this website before? If you want more phone jobs, drop in the comment phone job, and I'll continue to share more phone job opportunities like this. Alright, thanks so much everyone for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next one.